Root is divided into two types: taproot system and adventitious root system. Taproot, it is also called as true root or primary root, and adventitious root, it is also called as fibrous root. The taproot first root develop from the radicle and grow vertically downward, and the taproot or primary root form a secondary root, and secondary root grow to the tertiary root. And the roots are acropetal succession, old at base and young at apex. And fibrous root, adventitious root, it is developed from any part of the plant body other than radicals, and they do not have a primary, secondary and tertiary root. And these roots are thread like and equal in length. And next one is modifications of root. These are the modifications of a root for mechanical support, and these modifications of taproot. Taproot, first modification, prop roots. These root arises from branches, grow downwards and function. They are provided mechanical support to heavy branches, for example banyan tree. And next root is the stilt root. These are modifications of adventitious root, and these adventitious root develop from the basal nodes of the stem. And some stem such plants are weak or delicate or elongated. For that, a root arises from stem and grow downward to the soil. And these root is are the steel root, and they are mechanical support from the plants. Next, clumber roots. The plants like such produce roots from the nodes, and these roots are developed from the nodes, and these roots attach themselves to any support and continuous growing. Next one is the sucking root or hysteria, or these are also called as the parasitic root. These are the modifications of adventitious root for food, and they absorb from food material, and it occurs non-green and parasitic plant. The parasitic plant attach to host plants for the feeding on their body. In partially parasitism, plants penetrate xylem, only take water and minerals. And in whole parasitism, penetrate xylem, take a water and minerals, and phloem take food away. And these parasitic plants to absorb food material from the host plant. Why? Because the parasitics are non-green and cannot synthesize food by photosynthesis. For example, Cuscuta and Loranthus. नेक्स्ट मॉडिफिकेशन जो है वो है मॉडिफिकेशंस ऑफ टैप रूट स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड मटेरियल. The taproot or primary becomes splashy and swollen due to the storage of food material and water, and the secondary roots remain thin. Hypocotyledon may also join the tap in storing food. Stem is reduced and discoiled in the beginning and bears radical leaves. The swollen taproot acquires some typical shape, and according to classify into following three types. For example, radish, beetroot and carrot. This is the modifications of root. And next one is the nematopores or respiratory root. For example, Rhizopora and Avicennia. These are the modifications of taproot. हे कशाचं मॉडिफिकेशन आहे? Taproots. These are found in mangroves plant or salty near seashore. As the waterlogged aeration of soil become difficult and roots are suffering from lack of oxygen. हे जे रूट्स आहेत हे जास्त प्रमाणात कुठे आढळतात, जिथं की समुद्रकिनारी, जिथं की खारं पाणी आहे आणि तिथे काय होतं, जमीन ही काय होते, अशी लॉक झालेली असते आणि तिथले जे प्लांटचे रूट असतात त्यांना जेवढा पाहिजे तेवढा ऑक्सिजन हा मिळत नाही. त्यामुळे तिथले जे रूट आहेत ते ग्रो निगेटिव्हली जिओट्रॉपिकल मॅनर and they bears large number of small pores near their tip. It is called as lenticel or breathing pores. And through the lenticels the exchange of gaseous takes place and they perform the function of respiration or breathing. तर याचं फंक्शन काय आहे, रेस्पिरेशन और ब्रीदिंग करून घेण्याचं काम कोणाचं आहे, या निमॅटोपोअर्सचं आणि फॉर एक्झाम्पल रायझोपोराचं. म्हणजे तिथे नियर हे जे आढळतात तिथे समुद्रकिनारी जे प्लांट्स आहेत त्या प्लांट्सचे जे रूट्स आहेत ते निगेटिव्हली जिओट्रॉपिकल उलट्या दिशेने येतात आणि त्या रूट्सवरती छोटे छोटे स्मॉल पुअर्स असतात त्याच्या टीपवरती. त्या टीपला आपण काय म्हणायचं, ब्रीदिंग पुअर्स किंवा लँटिसेल्स. आणि त्या लँटिसेल्सच्या साह्याने ते काय करत असतात, गॅसियस एक्सचेंज करत असतात. म्हणून यालाच दुसरं नाव काय आहे, ब्रीदिंग रूट और रेस्पिरेटरी रूट. एक्झाम्पल आहे ॲव्हिकॅन्सिया अँड रायझोपोरा. दीज आर द मॉडिफिकेशन्स ऑफ taproot. And next modification for specialized function, epiphytic root. Epiphytic, epi means upon, phyta means plant. It is depending upon other for support, not for nourishment. These root depending upon other plant for support, not for nourishment. For example, orchids like a plant grow on branches to reach for sunlight and they have green leaves, so can photosynthesis. These plants called as epiphytic. And with the help of velamen tissue inside which helps in absorption of moisture from the air. And this is the modifications of adventitious root. Thank you.